3 ways AI is changing business. 1. Better customer service to improve consumer experience. Consumers often complain about rude employees transferring from one agent to another and non-flexible customer service times and channels. Automatic customer service is always warm and friendly. Its polite tone usually provides a good start for a happy conversation. 2. Enhanced time management with AI-powered scheduling platforms. Traditional timesheets are time-consuming, has inconsistent information because of human errors, and is easy to be omitted without automatic deadline reminders. Automatic time management systems are like virtual assistants that help employees record all the details of tasks, and the recording processes are usually almost hands-free. 3. More efficient decision-making processes. Supply chain management is never an easy task. AI-based software can complete tasks with a faster speed, process large amounts of data simultaneously, avoid human-made errors, and realize information synchronization among departments.